Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a question that has been on the minds of many people who suffer from psoriasis. Can we cure psoriasis? Firstly, let me give you a brief overview of what psoriasis is. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects the skin, causing it to become red, scaly, and itchy. It is a lifelong condition that affects millions of people worldwide and can significantly impact their quality of life. The good news is that while there is no cure for psoriasis, there are several treatments available can help manage the symptoms effectively. These treatments range from topical creams and ointments to oral medications, light therapy, and biologic drugs. Each treatment works differently and is tailored to the individual patient's need. Research into psoriasis is ongoing, and there have been significant advancements in recent years. Studies have shown that psoriasis is linked to an overactive immune system, and researchers are exploring ways to target the immune system to treat the condition effectively. Another promising area of research is the use of gene therapy to treat psoriasis. Gene therapy involves inserting genetic materials into the patient's skin cells to correct the faulty genes responsible for psoriasis. While still in the experimental stages, this approach shows great potential for a long term cure. In conclusion, while we may not have a cure for psoriasis yet, there are many effective treatments available to manage the symptoms. Ongoing research into the condition is making significant progress, and we may see a cure in the not too distant future. Thank you for listening.